Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you a mini album that I made, and this one I have a tutorial. It's the same as the Rose Quartz mini album, and I'm going to show you in fast forward how it looks, because this is going to be just an example on how you can make using the same tutorial. And I will put in the description box the links for some of the stuff that I use, and also that tutorial if you want to make one of these. Okay, and I only made 4 pages, but in that tutorial I show 6. Thank you very much for watching. Have a blessed everyone. Bye bye.